Well, it's hurricane season here in good old North Carolina. Everybody's stuck to the TV and listening to the radio, and I'm getting ready to ride down to the marina because I'd done all my stuff yesterday. Song that was written about this time of year by Mr. Sam Milner. I recorded this on my first record. I think it was Island Fever. Well, a hurricane warning came early one morning, caught all of us by surprise. She doubled her force, altered her course, darkened the southeastern sky. With the weather quite stormy, drank a whiskey to warm me, decided to ride it out there. Well, the wind blew the trees down, flooded the low ground, swamped every yard on the block. Vapors were flying, people were trying to leave home ready or not. Well, my courage grew stronger as the hours grew longer. The bottle got smaller as well. I reached out the window and I watched that old wind blow that tropical low pressure cell. And I sang hurricane blow off billboards away. Flood all the motels so the tourists can't stay. Cover the highway with big trees and limbs so they never will come back again. Well, the wind hit my face, kinda salty the taste, as I opened the door to a stranger. She stumbled inside, took her coat off to dry, much obliged to be out of the danger. Well, we uncorked another as we drank with each other, surviving the hurricane's worst. With all of our toasting and boozing and boasting, hey, we finally quenched our thirst. We sang hurricane blow all the billboards away. Flood all the motels so the tourists can't stay. Cover the highway with big trees and limbs so it never will come back again. Singing hurricane blow all the billboards away. Flood all the motels so the tourists can't stay. Cover the highway with big trees and limbs so it never will come back again. I'm tired of seeing the red sunburned skin, so put those cars and all them jet skis in the way.